The Lowdown on Shindig. Hello there, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and quirky word that you might come across in casual conversations. That word is shindig. Ever heard of it? If not, stick around because we're about to unpack its meaning and usage. The word shindig is an informal noun in English, primarily used in American English. It refers to a large, lively party, especially one celebrating something or marked by dancing and entertainment. Think of it as a big bash or gathering where people are having a lot of fun. While the exact origins of shindig are a bit mysterious, it is believed to have appeared in the mid-19th century. Some say it's related to the word shinny, which was a game similar to hockey. Others believe it might have originally described a brawl or fight, where one might dig into another's shin with a kick. Over time, the aggressive nature of the word softened, and it came to denote a festive and joyful gathering. To understand a word fully, it's always helpful to see it in context. Here are a few examples. 1. Are you going to Jake's shindig this Saturday? I heard it's going to be epic. 2. We're planning a massive shindig for Grandma's 90th birthday. 3. After the awards ceremony, there was a shindig at the hotel where everyone let their hair down and celebrated. From these examples, it's clear that a shindig is a gathering or event marked by fun and celebration. And that's a wrap on shindig. Now, the next time someone mentions they're attending or throwing a shindig, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. We hope this video shed some light on this playful word. Keep exploring the vast and vibrant world of the English language, and see you at the next shindig or, well, our next video.